Hello everyone. I'm going to explain about the four different types of apps I created, which are Qt app, Pizza app, Catalog app, and Login app. So we'll start over with the Qt app. The user interacts with three animal icons. As you can see here, a dog, a capybara, and a group of cats. When any of these icons are clicked, the app responds by updating a text view with a specific message related to the selected animal, and the text color changes accordingly. As you can see here, when I click on the dog image, it shows this, and when I click on the capybara image, it shows this, and when I click on a group of cats image, it shows this. And yeah, and the clear text, and when an image is clear, the text changes and the clear text button becomes visible. So when I clicked any of these animals, as I'll show you right now, when I click on the dog image, the clear text appears, and when I click on the clear text, it goes back to the initial message. The clear text button allows users to reset the text view back to its default message and hides the button itself. The initial message displayed is please touch on one of the animal icons, and its text color is red. In summary, this app demonstrates interactive user feedback, changing text and colors dynamically based on user input with a simple reset functionality using the clear text button. The code makes use of image view for the icons, text view for messages, and button for user interaction. Now we move on to the next app, which is the Pizza app. The Pizza app allows users to customize their pizza by selecting toppings and calculates the total price based on their choices. The app starts with the base price of $6, and each topping has an associated price. The toppings available are tomatoes, peppers, mushrooms, olives, salami, and corn. When the user checks a topping checkbox, the update order method is called. This method updates the total price, adds the selected topping to the ingredient list, and dynamically displays an icon representing the topping. The ingredients and price are updated in real time as the user selects or deselects options. The app also includes an order button which confirms the user's selection and displays the total price. Additionally, there is a clear button that resets all selection, clears the ingredient list, and sets the total price back to the same price. In summary, this app allows users to select pizza toppings, view the corresponding price, and reset their order with simple interactive features. Now the Catalog app. The Catalog app allows users to browse through a collection of iPhone 13, 14, 15, and 16 by navigating through a carousel of images and descriptions. At the start, the app displays the first iPhone's details, including an image, title, and description. The app provides two buttons, the next and the previous, which allows users to navigate through the iPhone models. The current index tracks the current iPhone in view, and the app loops back to the start or end when the user clicks through. Additionally, the app includes a dynamic thumbnail navigation system. A row of thumbnails representing each iPhone model is generated at the bottom of the screen. Clicking on any thumbnail updates the main image and description to match the selected model. The updated iPhone info method updates the main display based on the current index. The create thumbnail navigation method creates clickable thumbnails that allow users to quickly jump to a specific iPhone. In summary, this app offers smooth navigation through a catalog of iPhones and provides a user-friendly way to explore different models with dynamic image and text updates. So now we're going to talk about the login and registration app which I've created here. So the login activity serves as the user login screen. So here's how it's gonna work. So the UI elements are edit text for username and password input, a button for login, and an image view for showing and hiding the password or hiding the password. So a text view for displaying the error messages when login fails. The login process. The user enters a username and password. The app validates these credentials against predefined values, channel 123 and 12345. So this username and this password are already stored in this. These are predefined values which are already stored in here. If the enter credential match the stored ones, the user is redirected to the profile activity screen. So as you can see, once the username Gerald123 is entered and the password 12345 is entered, as you can see here, it goes to the profile activity page, and when you click on log out, it goes back to the login screen. Now the password visibility, the image view eye icon, toggles the visibility of the password. When clicked, it changes between showing the password or hiding it. Navigation, a not required yet link navigates the user to the register activity. So now once this is clicked, it goes to the register activity, as you can see here. And now we'll be talking about the register activity codes. Now in the register activity handles the user registration process. Here's how it's gonna work. The UI elements, the edit text, that is for full name, year of birth, username, password and repassword. A radio group with radio buttons for selecting the user's sex, that is male or female. Now buttons for registering, clearing the form and going back to the login activity, that is the initial page. Now image view icons to toggle visibility for both the password and re-enter password, as you can see here for the password and the re-enter password. Form validation, it checks if all fields are filled, verifies that the password and re-enter password match, ensure that a sex is selected, displays error messages if any validation fails. As you can see here, once you click the register, the all fields must be filled, error appears. Now the password visibility, the show password I and the show repassword I icon toggles visibility of the password field. Now the registration process. If all validation passes, a success message is shown and the user is redirected to the login activity, as you can see here. The profile activity is where the user's details are shown after they successfully log in. Here's how it's gonna work. The UI elements, that are the text view and the button, the text view to display the user's profile details such as name, sex, date of birth, phone number and email, and a button for logging out. Setting profile information. The user's profile details are set statically, that is hard-coded in the code. When the profile activity is open, these details are displayed on the screen. Logout process.